Okay, so I want to share this view on the DXY, which is very important and which is why I have been so bullish on the Euro USD and for such a long time. The war came to put a little bit of trouble in the plan, but nothing has changed basically. So if we look at this big weekly chart, you see we have this big trend line here. We broke through it, came back inside it. We came back, we broke a little bit above it with the war situation. But if we look at that on a monthly, for example, you see for now it's only a phase break above it. And I think it will stay like that. So that's very important because it's confirming what we have been looking for, which is this big break. We came back to retest it. We can retest it again somewhere here, but at the end, we will go there. So from there, what I'm looking at is this big multi-months A, B, C, even multi-year. It's a 6 from 2016 highs. So you see this A, B, C here, and you see where we stopped. We stopped right to the peak when we went up, down on the Euro USD. We went right to the peak on the 236 fib, which is very interesting because it's validating again that big ABC, which is already validated in many occasions. So what do we have with that ABC? We have this level. Of course, we could come back and retest that if there would something very negative in the war about the what is happening, which would make more USD love. But even if we go a little bit higher in that area, that we change nothing on that big ABC. The target of this one is 83.36. So you see that this thing will unfold to 36 and 83.11. That's far away. That's a long, long way, and we have the same on the Euro USD. So that's the first thing. If we look at the other thing we had is I was using that weekly ABC up when we have been working on this chart, and you see that we had here a very nice confluence with the green 236 fib and the black one of that ABC up, which was the 1 to 72 extension, and that's where we stopped. If we look a little bit more inside, we have for now a kind of big M formation, which should lead to the continuation down. As I said, anything can make a move inside that area, going up and down for some time, which is a consolidation at the same time where people are accumulating money and the market makers are accumulating money. So in this chart, there is a third important fib, which is this one. I will take off the other one. And this one is the big retracement I am looking at, which is this one that has been used a lot by the price. So we have two things that has been used a lot. If we keep the big monthly and this one, it's the ABC up and the retracement here. So you see, if we would break that 236, we would stop to the 76.40, 78.6 fib here and go to 145. Everybody would think it's the end of the euro, but that won't happen. Till this high is in place, that ABC is alive, and that ABC is pointing much, much, much lower. So it's important when things like what we have are happening to look at bigger time frame, monthly, quarterly, or even yearly, because we have a view that is not inside the daily noise and that is telling us what we must keep in mind inside the storm. And that's why, since we are in this area, I've been shorting the the USD, which means I've been long Euro USD, and and that's why I am scalping short the Euro USD, and that's why when I have a good level, a good setup with the Euro USD levels plus those level here or the inside level here, I put much more size on the long side of the Euro USD, because here we have a long way to go down, which means a long way to go up for the Euro USD. At the same time, the fundamental of the USD are very bad. So there is absolutely no technical, neither fundamental reason for the USD to be strong. And that's why when that will turn, when the war will stop, we will see a very big sell-off, very hard and very brutal sell-off of the USD. And that's really what I'm looking for.